So hello, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our student got placed and he is going to share his experience. Yes, sir.
My name is TIRUPATHI THARUN KUMAR. I recently powered out batch 2024 and I started my journey with Rajajinagar PySpiders by taking Python full stack development in the month of May 2024, and the trainers here teaching a core subject for the students. By that I have taken Python. The trainer was Lakshmi Prasad sir himself, and for my SQL, the Vatsal, who also given me the core knowledge. And here in this institute, they are conducting different activities like grooming, boot camps, and presentations. With that, it helped me to crack the interviews. I attended for 2 interviews also, but it helped me for cracking this company. And
Okay, congratulations.
Thanks.
Thank you.